What's up, team? Let's just get Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Got Open Canal. So today I'm here with another quick and easy hairstyle. So this is my daughter's hair. I show you guys the video I did the deep conditioner with the avocado on her hair, and her hair is looking very beautiful. Her hair has grown so much, so she wasn't in the mood to do a braiding because I wanted to braid the hair, but she was like, I don't want to braid. Can we just do something simple? I was like, okay. So we're gonna do like a two pony, and I'm gonna add those puff attachment hair on it. But because she has to go to school in the morning, so I thought, you know what, let's just do the two pony this night, get everything ready in the night, and then in the morning is just to add the attachment, and then we're ready to go. So this is the Blue Magic leave-in conditioner I use on the kids hair to moisturize. I use this one, or sometimes I use my shea butter and coconut and cocoa butter hair mixture that I use. But because we're in the winter time, that product is very hard right now. It's cold, and in the bathroom I don't have the heater on in the bathroom, so the product is cold. So I use this Blue Magic leave-in conditioner. Those are the two products that I use, and with my hair growth oil. So I put the product into the hair, I massage it, moisturize the hair, and then I go with the oil on the scalp, and I make sure I massage it with my hand, and I do that. So I like to moisturize the hair separately, so to prevent tangling, because we are not going to be doing a lot of combing, because yeah, I don't want her to cry. We're not gonna be doing a lot of combing, so I'm going to try to separate the process of moisturizing so that it's more easier for me to moisturize and get the hair ready for styling. I'm going to be using the Got2b gel and also the Got2b hairspray, because since she doesn't want to braid the hair, I really want this hairstyle to last at least for the entire week, from Monday to Friday, and then I will take it out, wash it, and maybe then we can go in and do braiding if she wants to. So that's the goal that I'm going for. That's the reason why you see I'm using the Got2b gel and the Got2b spray, because just so that I don't have to, during the week, I don't have to be doing hair. I can just wait till in the weekend. So I moisturize, and I use my wild tooth comb to kind of detangle a little bit, just a little bit. And she wanted to have like these two braid at the front. That's what she wanted to have, and she wanted to have this hair beads. So I purchased some hair beads. You guys can see the hair beads right there next to the Got2b, next to the moisturizer. So I'm leaving these two front braid, and I'm going to braid that one later. So now I'm taking my brush, and I'm taking the Got2b gel. I'm just kind of like moisturize it, like, rub it into the hair. And it didn't really have white residue, because I don't know, when I use this moisturizer with any gel so far, I haven't experienced like white residue. Before, I used to use the Cantu leave-in conditioner moisturizer. I used to use that one, and I used to have a lot of white residue whenever I mix that moisturizer with gel. But since I've been using this Blue Magic, I haven't had any of those. So yeah, and that's the reason why I keep on buying it. And also the kids hair loved it. The kids hair really loved this product. It's make their hair really soft. It's very easy to use, and it smells also really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to be like rubbing the gel into the hair, and I'm going to like take an elastic band and hold it. I want the hair to lay down. When I say lay down, I want the hair to lay down slick, because I don't want during the week, me coming back from work, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I have to cook, do other things around the house, and then I have to come and sit down to do hair. So I really want this hairstyle to last for a week. And also when she's going to bed at night, we're going to do a head wrap. So that's what I do with the kids. When they are going to bed at night, we do head wrap, so that at least to make the hair stay in place. So now I'm just going to take the spray. I want to take the spray and I'm going to spray just a little bit, just to give it that strong hold, strong hold, to make sure the hair doesn't move, it doesn't get frizzy. Even if the wind blow, the hair will lay down slick. That is what I'm going for. So now I'm going to take this hairband, I'm going to hold her hair, and I'm definitely asking her, is it tight? And she's like, no. Is it tight? It's like, no. I'm like, okay, good. We don't want it to be super, super tight. So now I'm just going to leave it like this, and then I'm going to separate the bun into two. I'm going to braid it so that it doesn't like stay exposed, and I don't want the end to expose, because the end of the hair is like the oldest part. So I'm just going to try to braid it very simply. It's so hard to braid with when you have nails on, but luckily I'm going to take this nail off this week, so it's much more easier. I'm braiding with shorter nails. So I braid the other one, and now I'm going to braid it, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap the ends around. I'm going to wrap it and secure it with elastic band, like the way I did the first one. So that what I'm doing, you guys can see, I'm just wrapping it, secure everything, make sure everything is secure. Just brush everything once again. I want this hair to lie down slick. I don't want to be going through any hair issue during the week. So now I'm going to take the hair dryer. I'm going to because it's nighttime, she needs to go to bed. She actually needs to go to change, put on PJs, and go to bed. So I was like, let's do this just so that in the morning I don't have to be running late for work. They don't have to be running late for school. So this process is out of the way. So that's what we're doing. She was loving the heat. She was like smiling, like, it's warm, it's warm. So she was loving it. So now we do that. And now I'm like, okay, let's do the braid. I have these two braid. I use Expression. It's the hair I got from AliExpress. If you guys have watched my AliExpress braiding hair video, I posted a long time ago. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave it for you guys at the top. So I took that braiding hair and I just take a little from it, and that's what I'm going to be using to braid the hair. And I'm also going to be rubbing like a little bit of gel so that the hair stay. You guys can see how long the hair has grown so long. I'm like, yep, we're getting there. So I'm just going to rub the gel just to make sure everything stays good, stays sleek, and stay beautiful. And then I'm going to be taking the braids. It's just a small braid, just something to hold the hair, because I didn't want to braid the hair on its own. I want something to secure the hair so that this hairstyle will last for a week. The goal is this hairstyle should last for a week. That is the goal, because I don't want to be doing hair in between the week when I'm back from work and I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I'm not in the mood for that. So this is why that's why I'm adding an extension into the hair. So I'm just going to braid that very quickly, braid it, and then I'm going to add some of the hair beads. She loves the hair bead. I love the hair bead. She's happy. I'm fine. I'm happy. She's happy. We're cool. So it was very easy. The next morning was just take shower, eat breakfast, fix the bun. We're ready to go. You guys can see she's already smiling. She's smiling. She's seeing the bead. She's like, yeah, the bead is so much. She was smiling. She was happy. So what I did to secure the beads, I kind of like tie the hair, and then I burn it with scissors. I first cut it with scissors, and then I burn it. So the bead is not going anywhere, because one thing I was like, I don't want this girl to go to school and be removing this bead. So I warned her, I'm like, do not allow anybody to touch your hair. Tell your friends in school, say my mommy don't want anybody to touch my hair. Every day I'm dropping her, I'm telling her, if you come home your hair is messy, I'll have issue with you, because I'm not in the mood of doing hair during the week. So yeah, So that was secure. It was done. Everything was looking beautiful. I'm trying to lay a little bit of the baby hair just to make the hair nice. And then I'm going once again with the blow dryer to make sure everything is dry properly before she goes to bed. And she's loving the heat. She's like, it's so warm. It's so nice. She's loving it. It's nighttime, so I want to make sure the hair is properly dry before I wrapped it, before she goes to bed. And yeah, that was what we were doing. So guys, that was it. The hair was done. It was looking beautiful. So she wanted to see how the hair looks. So I had to lift her up and let her see in the mirror on how the hair looked. So this is the puff that we're going to be adding in the morning. I just wanted to show her how it's going to be looking and then took it off. So yeah, the hair is dry properly now. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to wrap the hair. I want to wrap the hair so she can go and change and put on her PJs, brush her teeth, and go to bed. So it makes the process much more easier for me, for her, for everybody. It makes life easier. So that is what I'm doing. So now I'm just tying the head, and what I also do, I also have this hair cap, this hair cap that I always let her wear when she's going to bed. But because this time I did this hairstyle, so I kind of like extra, just extra for protection, because I don't want this one to come out and then the hair in the morning is messed up. So we're just doing this extra for protection, extra security. So yeah, that was it. It was very quick and easy. And this is the next morning. I'm ready to drop her off. I'm also getting ready. And now we are going to add the puff. We're going to add the puff. And it was really nice, actually. It was really, really simple. I secure it with bobby pin. And she loves it. It's just that because the hair was so hard, now to put the comb was a little bit uncomfortable, but she was like, okay, it wasn't painful, it was just uncomfortable. So after I didn't secure like really, really tight, because I also put bobby pin, and I asked her, is it painful? And she was like, no. So yeah, this was the finished result. So Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, or feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Team Fullest. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.